Okay, so where did I leave off? Okay, so so these 3 laboratories. So I think that I think the next step is gonna be these fixtures here, right? So I think what I'm gonna do is just make sure that these are in line with each other. Well, these are not gonna matter, but these 4 are 2 sets. Make sure, because what I'm gonna do is need these 2 to line up so I can so it will be easier. Why? Come on, man. What is wrong with Revit? Sometimes Revit just, let me do this. Wireframe. I don't get it. So if I want to align one, oh, I think it's because it's pinned. See that? So if it's pinned, you can't align it, huh? Which makes sense. So, and these 2 are probably pinned, right? Okay. So if it's pinned, it won't align, which makes sense. So I'm gonna leave these 6 because I don't need those for those. So if I'm gonna align this fixture with that fixture, and I'm going to align this fixture with that fixture. And so in the section view, let's do the same thing. I'm going to rotate that counterclockwise 90 so we can get a feel for the orientation of the water closets. When we get ready to do them on the 2nd level, yes. And these, on the 1st level, they happen to be 1'5". Okay. So let's align. Where can I get? Maybe this one. Okay, that's good. And 1'5". You see that? It says 16.5, but that's a reference from the 1st level. So don't panic, right? It says, why is this? So what you're gonna need to do so that it's correct, that you want the correct elevation from level 2, right? So you change this, and it's 1'5". Okay. Do the same. This one we change it to 2nd level, 1'5", and I think I'm gonna pin these 2, and second, go back and get these 2, and look at the section, 2nd level, align. Let's just look. Well, first let's put these guys on the right level, 2nd level, and let's 1'5", right? Okay. Just for the heck of it, we are here and we are there. Okay. Now. Okay, now we got something to work with, right? See, 2nd, so we're here. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the sanitary system, okay? 2nd level, and what we're gonna need to do is go down to the 1st level. I'm going, that's, okay. 2nd, and here, I'm gonna bring this guy out, make sure that there's no slope, change my pipe to a plastic pipe because that's what Revit is giving us. It does not give us cast iron pipe. It does not give us copper pipe. It gives us only plastic fittings. It does not give us copper fittings. It does not give us cast iron fittings. The only fittings that work, that I've seen that work, are plastic, the PVC. So we have PVC, maybe 97. They'll have plastic, they have cast iron and copper and okay. So now from here we do a similar, right? And I like that. I think I'm gonna go down. Let me look at my notes here. Okay, let's go back. Let's go over. Make sure that just make sure we're on the right page. Okay. That looks good. So let's go back. And we're gonna go here. Yeah. And you know what? I don't. Let's check and let's check this. See what kind of fittings we got. I don't want the Y combination. I want. Let's use this fit. That looks good. And we don't care what it looks like. All we're looking at are fixture units and making sure that they count. I don't care what the fitting looks like. And here. Okay, there. Yeah, that's what I like. And now we're gonna put a slope on this one. Okay, second level. Slope down. Click to enter pipe start point. So I'm gonna go here and we're gonna go down at 4 inches. Okay, and below us, well, not found. I'm gonna go to the section view. Let's go to section view, rotate clockwise 90. Yeah, here, 90. Okay, so that we are not gonna be in Revit's way, cause looks like you don't wanna play. You don't wanna play nice. Okay, so we got this, and we're gonna slope. Okay, because we're gonna connect into this guy. Okay, but we got to create our riser. Okay, second level. Let's go to. I'm gonna look at this. Why am I looking at? I don't need to look at that. Do I need to? I think I'm gonna go over. Yeah. Well, let's just see. But let me look and see these. Look at my. I'm good. I think that's enough room for the 2-inch waist for the urinals. So we're good. And, whatever. Again, we're only interested in that number, which is the fixture units. 12 fixture units, because there's 6 each. So we can size our pipe. Okay. So let's go around. Okay. And 90 counter. Let's go up and connect into our main pipe. Okay, we got this guy. I think I'm gonna go all the way over and see what happens. See if Revit will let me do this. Look at that. Oh, that's because the slope is off. You see that? Just checking. Here, and 4 inch clockwise, slope is off. PVC, sanitary. Okay, so we should be able to connect into, yes. Okay, and cancel. So when I mean, it does. You know, you can do it however you want, but this is one way of doing it. Create similar, right? So you want to connect into here. So you look at your construction lines, right? And so you go here, right? You come down, and that should give you a nice T. And here we're going to put a Y combination. Okay. It didn't matter in this, well, whether it was a sanitary or reducing vent. I didn't care in this area, but here, just because it would not be the right fitting if you connect a vertical onto a horizontal, not with the sanitary T. Okay, so that's probably my only pet peeve that I use. That I'm always going to use a Y combination, you know, a combination Y and eighth, right? What was I doing? I forgot. Okay, so we got those two, and let's get the three water clauses, and then I think I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, so we got that guy. No slope no slope PVC pipe. Look at our construction lines. Go all the way over, and there it is, right there. We can go down from here. I'm gonna stop it right there. Go back second level, and we got two more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get rid of this beam. 1. Okay, we're good. Right there, and there. One more. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna change that. Ooh, I think what I'm gonna do, because I don't think there's gonna be enough room. Now I need to change the slope, right? It's going down. Otherwise, Revit is gonna give an error that says the routing is not correct. Okay. Where am I going? Okay, so we got this, back. Oh, see. Oh my God, man. Okay, no slope. Coming off a fixture, you just have to check, man. Revit is notorious. You gotta get it right, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna change our my routing so that it's a combination. Okay, no more reducing. I'm gonna make that a combination. I'm gonna go back, say yes, 3D view, 1, 2, 3D, right here. Okay, and we're going on the second level, and everything should be good, man. We should be good. That should be clean out here. Okay. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens. That's not good. I'm gonna go here and maybe stretch it down a little bit. Let's just see what happens. Revit is very picky. Let's try this. Let's go here. Yeah, I'm gonna change my fitting to a vent sanitary, or it's sanitary. No, let's just use a vent. Okay, and then let's see what happens, because now we're playing a cat and mouse game. Now you see me, now you don't, right? No, I didn't want that either. Let's see, what have I got? Man. T reducing vent. Okay, so maybe it wants a T reducing sanitary. Let's put that on there. Let's see if Revit likes it. This one. Nope, didn't like it. Okay, let's go to the section view. Go back. Okay, and go to section. That's it. No, that's not the one I want. Okay, this is the one I want, and I don't know why it's giving me. So what we're gonna do, let's align one pipe to the other. Okay, and come down. I think that what I'm gonna do is, since Revit is being picky, I think it's being very picky right now, so I'm just gonna bring out my secret weapon. Nope, not that. I think that's part of the magnetics that goes on inside the computer. And watch for the X, the square. You see the square? See that square? Modify it. What is Revit doing? Now see, why is it doing that? Man. Let's change it back. I'm going to put a sanitary T on it and see what happens. Let's do sanitary T. Okay, that one. Okay. And let's drag all the way down. Anything? Nope. Oh, okay. Let's go back. Okay. I'm gonna stop it here. Let me, I'm gonna take that off and see if Revit will allow us. I don't know why it's doing that. Element needs to be disconnected. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that, and in our next video we gotta fix this. So okay, well anyway, that's one of the setbacks, I guess. Which is not, it's just it happens, that kind of. So we'll have to figure this one out, guys. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later.